Hey, it's Jose Jafarji from SavvyRealEstateInvestor.com. I wanted to share with you my 10x goal strategies that I learned from Grant Cardone. If you haven't already found Grant Cardone, I highly recommend you get his books 10x Rule and a few of others. And I also follow him on social media for a lot of great inspiration. I've also ordered a lot of books from him. And so 10x rules, here it goes. First thing you want to do is grab 5 sheets of paper and draw on top of the piece of paper 7 different categories. So just like I have it right here on my board here. So you're going to have 7 different categories, which is income, wealth, physical, spiritual, family, recreational, and professional. So once again, it's income, wealth, physical, spiritual, family, recreational, and professional. So obviously everybody knows you got to set your income goals, how much you're going to be, you're looking to earn every single year. Your second one is your wealth goal or your net worth goal. Third one is your physical, what kind of health and fitness you want to achieve. Spiritual could be, how many people you want to help. It doesn't have to be religious specifically. Family, how much family time you want to spend. Recreational, how many vacations. Professional, what you need to do in terms of career development. So a lot of these are just brief categories, but you can obviously go into a lot more detail. So on your first sheet of paper, you want to write down your current goals, which is your 2018 goals. On the second piece of paper, you want to write down each goal, and you multiply that by 10. So that's the whole game of strategy, is to 10x your goals. So for example, if your income was 100,000, you just simply multiply that by 10. So it's going to be $1 million. Don't worry about how you're going to get there. Just trust me, just an exercise to make you think big. On the third piece of paper, what you're going to do is what you need to give up in order for you to achieve that 10x goal. So what kind of bad habits do you need to give up? What type of time wasters you're going to have eliminated from your life. If you're making a lot of excuses, you're going to learn how to eliminate those. So your fourth piece of paper is what you would have to change in order for you to achieve that 10x goal. So for example, what type of mindset are you going to have to change? What type of schedule are you going to have in order for you to achieve that goal in each of these 7 categories? And your final fifth piece of paper, what you need to learn in order for you to get to achieve that 10x goal. So what kind of skills, what type of books are you going to need to read? What type of coaches are you going to have to hire in order for you to get to your next goals? So hopefully, in a nutshell, this was very helpful. So remember, just have a piece of paper, write down these 7 categories on top: income, wealth, physical, spiritual, family, recreational, and professional. And then you're going to have these 5 different steps to go through each goal in more detail to make you think a lot bigger. All right. Thanks for watching. Keep up the hustle. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome 2018.